Mark Glenton here from Mind Frontiers. I'm going to talk to you today about something that's really weird, but it's really cool, and it can have a significant impact. It's called energy follows the mind. Now, what does this mean? Well, energy flows around the body, but it also flows out of the body. And what we have is it acts on certain vibrations. So, if you go into a room and it's full of depressed people and you talk about depressive things, the chances are you're going to come out more depressed than what you went in. Why? Because it's acting on a vibration that's on a low level. So let's raise the vibrations, guys, because if you're at a higher vibration, so you're from love, peace and happiness, that's a higher vibration than that of anger, hatred, depression. And as a consequence, if you're acting at a higher vibration than those that are lower, the lower ones will try and modulate themselves to the higher ones. That means that they have to come up. Don't bring yourself down to their level, guys, because if you bring yourself down to their levels, you're all acting on the same level. Now, what I want to do is go a bit further with this. Is if you think about somebody that you haven't spoken to for a long time, why is it that often they contact you and you haven't contacted them for a long time? Because energy follows the mind. Now, a classic example of this is, I want you to all go to YouTube and have a look on YouTube and type in rice experiment. Now, this is a unique experiment that has been done by a lot of people. They cook a bunch of rice, all cooked in the same way. They dry it off and they put it into 3 sealed jars. One that says hate, one that says love, and one that says ignore. Now, with the hate one, they take that one away and they speak to it with nasty, horrible, not very nice words. I hate you. And you do that for about 30 seconds. And then you do the same with the one that says love, and you go, I love you, you're so beautiful. And the one that says ignore, you ignore. Now, you do this over a period of days. Some do it over 2 or 3 weeks, some do it a bit longer. And most of the time, the one that's hated, that's said, when it's said separately, I hate you, I don't like you, it goes all mouldy and green and not very nice. The one that's ignored basically still stays the same. And the one that says, I love you, I love you, I love you, often ferments. So if just the power of those words with a controlled experiment can have this effect on something like rice, what can it do to our bodies if we're thinking about other people? So if you've had an argument with somebody and you go, oh, I hate you, I hate you, I hate you, how often does something happen to that person when you're saying, I hate you, I hate you, I hate you? And people say, oh, well, it's karma. But is it really? Is it just you sending out negative vibes to that person? Better just say, well, sorry, I forgive you for that, what you've done. So I'm just going to come out of love and say, I forgive you. What messages are we sending out to people, guys? Are we sending out messages of hate, acting at a really low vibration? Are we sending out a message of love? Or are we ignoring people? All 3 send out messages, and the messages will get received. If you're sending out things of anger and hatred, often they pick up on that and you get more arguments. So see what happens, guys, and have a go at the experiment yourself, because it's really powerful. Look it up on YouTube, see what to do. Cook up a bunch of rice, put it into 3 sealed containers, and you're not opening the containers, and then see what happens. And then I'd love to hear your feedback and your comments, just to see what happens, because it's fascinating stuff. So thank you very much, guys. Like and share my Facebook page, visit my website. Any ideas that you want me to talk about tomorrow? Thanks very much, guys.